Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to make money on SproutGigs. From graphic design to coding, there's something for everyone. Simply sign up, showcase your talents and start earning today. So to access this platform, you have to open a browser and there you have to search for SproutGigs. And after that you will get onto this page. So here if you have an account then you can go for login, but if you don't have one then you can click up on sign up and create your account. Once you have created your account, you have to create a gig something like this. So these are the gigs and these have been created by individuals. So what they do is that if they're expert in something and they have experience in anything that they could sell online, so they create gigs according to it. Like this one is about SEO. This person says that he or she will create 12 SEO friendly 1500 words articles, and in descriptions they have explained everything in detail, like about themselves, their experience, their expertise, their skill sets, and also what will be the things that will be included in their package and everything that they provide in this package. The very same way, you also have to talk about your work, like what you can offer, how you can offer, what things will be included, and everything. And once you keep scroll down, you will also see some of these reviews that have been given by their previous clients. So this one is an example of single gig. The same way you also have to create one and sell your services online and earn through it. So here we have categories for gigs, and once you choose any one of these, you will get gigs according to it. You can search up according to what expertise you have and what field you are in. Once you see these gigs, you can take inspiration from them and create your own. And once you have created the gig, the people will come to you, place orders, and through that you can make money by providing them services. So whether you're a designer, a writer, content creator, or maybe a marketeer, you just have to simply create a gig here, and after that you have to provide services to people and they will pay you and you could make money according to it. And that's it. This was all about how you can make money on Sprout Gigs. I hope you found this video helpful and informative.